Variant 0. Did you know that prompt engineering can boost your ChatGPT results by up to 50%?
Today's tutorial on prompt engineering for ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you'll be able to craft prompts that yield incredible results. To get you started right away, I want you to try this simple prompt. Summarize a recent news article about technology in 3 bullet points. Type that into ChatGPT and see the concise response you get. This is just the beginning. Let's dive deeper into sophisticated techniques that can transform your interaction with ChatGPT. So, why is prompt engineering important? Many users struggle to get the responses they want from ChatGPT. They may find the output too vague or irrelevant. This tutorial is designed for anyone looking to maximize their efficiency with ChatGPT, whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone who enjoys exploring AI. With the right prompts, you can harness the full power of ChatGPT, elevating your productivity and creativity. Let's jump into our first technique, crafting effective prompts. A well-structured prompt can drastically change the response you receive. Start with clarity. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about climate change," try, "Explain the main causes of climate change in bullet points." This specificity helps ChatGPT understand your request better. You can expect a more organized and relevant response. Don't forget to experiment. If your first attempt doesn't yield the desired outcome, tweak your prompt and try again. For instance, if you get a vague answer, add more context to your question. Another effective technique involves using examples. When you provide an example in your prompt, it helps guide the AI's response. For instance, if you want ChatGPT to generate a marketing slogan, you could say, "Generate a catchy slogan for a new coffee brand," similar to "Just do it" for Nike. With this structure, you'll often receive results that are more aligned with your expectations. If you find that the responses are still off the mark, consider refining your example or including more context about your brand's voice or target audience. Now, let's explore function calling, a powerful feature in ChatGPT. When you need ChatGPT to perform specific tasks, using function calling can lead to optimized results. For example, you could input, "Use the function to calculate the sum of 15 and 25. This directs ChatGPT to execute a specific action instead of responding with general information. However, keep in mind that if you provide an overly complex request, ChatGPT may not execute it properly. If that happens, break down your request into simpler components and rephrase it. Here are a few quick power tips to take your prompt engineering skills to the next level. First, consider using the temperature parameter in your prompts to control the randomness of responses. Lower temperatures yield more predictable outputs. Second, always think of your prompt as a conversation starter. The more engaging it is, the better the responses you will get. Finally, save and share your effective prompts. This not only helps you remember them, but also helps others improve their experience. And don't forget to explore ChatGPT's structured outputs for clarity and format. To wrap up, you now have several practical techniques to enhance your prompt engineering skills with ChatGPT. Start with clarity in your prompts, use examples, and explore function calling for more precise tasks. Remember, the key to success is experimenting and refining your requests. Now that you have this knowledge, go back to ChatGPT and start applying these techniques. You'll see an improvement in the quality of your interactions, making ChatGPT an even more valuable tool in your arsenal.